Make your team's social media look pro. Here's how to create this editable basketball graphic in Canva. Open Canva and choose your social media post size, and then go to element, add this Instagram post element. To make it easier to see, I will change the color of the background to the color of the theme. For example, this gradient of white and green. I want to download it, so I will increase the size, place in the center, and because of this is a pro element, we cannot directly download it. We have to edit it first, and to make it easier, I will just duplicate it and place the duplicate right on the origin, and then go to share and download with transparent background and click download. Now remove all these two elements and then upload the PNG that we just downloaded, and then go to apps and type here perspective, enter, and choose this totally. First I will put it here, increase the size, and then I will add a ruler here as the marker of the perspective I want to make, and then this one here. Now click free, and then drag this dot to here, to the corner of this ruler, and this one here. And then click save and close. Okay. And then I'll reduce it and also crop it. Now upload the close-up photo of the player. I will move it here and I will reduce the transparency, so the ball will only cross one edge, not on this corner. And then set the transparency back to 100 again. And then send the photo to back. And I will duplicate it. Place the duplicate right on the origin. And then remove the background. And I will crop it here. Now select photo on the back and crop it here. And crop it here. But we still have this part, so I will erase it manually. Click erase and choose pixel eraser. I will erase it like this. And then close it. And then add the full body photo or action photo like this one and remove the background. Photo of the same player, I mean. I will reduce the size and place it here. I will also add a shadow. Go to element and type shadow. Click CO on the graphic. I will use this one. Reduce the size. And I'll place it here. And set the layer to back. Select all this element. And I will move it here. And I will move the small player here. And then type the name here. Place in the center. Place the achievement here. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.